Alright, first and foremost, let's go ahead and start with the game design document that's on Trello. This thing hasn't been touched, I feel like, in...
I touched it last class.
Okay. Doesn't look like there's been a whole lot of changes. I feel like I want to see this more fleshed out. Is it still accurate? Is every word on here still accurate to what we're doing? Programmers, do you ever look at this? Hey, whatever the issue is, it can wait. Grab a seat. Thank you. Programmers, I need you to take a look at this and make sure all the stuff's on there is still valid. Please go to Trello. Go to Trello. I want to see Trello on everybody's screen. This is why we have Trello. Okay? If projects aren't, this is how we organize projects. This is why we do this. Everybody take a look at that. Make sure it's, you know. Alright, project lead. If anybody sees anything on there that looks funny, either change it or tell the project lead and they will change it. Project lead, I want you walking around talking to every single person in this classroom today, making sure that they have something to do and that they know what they're supposed to be doing. All right. All right, technical lead. Yes. How are we doing on what's the first thing that we do when we come into class, everybody? That's right.
I have to mess with the git ignore because the pull should be breaking probably for everyone because of a autosave that got introduced to the file system somehow.
Ooh.
So
that shouldn't be the case.
I'm going to be changing the git ignore.
So, okay, well, we can still fetch and pull and then...
Yeah, they're having issues with the pull.
Really? All right, man. Well, that's first on your list.
Yeah, I'm fixing it.
So right now, when I look in Cool Patrol, intermediate and saved are not green.
Yeah, that's
apparently
the case, but it says that there's a thing in saved that is messing.
All right, let's take a look. Let's do fetch.
And then it takes forever to fetch for some reason now, and I don't know why.
What's forever? A minute or?
Yeah, like a couple minutes. Yeah, but fetching doesn't
who put those
any data.
who put those meshes in, and what are they?
They're the character mesh for the.
Oh, okay.
But it shouldn't be this long, and fetching doesn't actually like move things between servers, so that shouldn't affect the time. It just scans through files.
Yeah, it just looks.
It just looks.
All right, we'll let that go. All right, so whatever that technical problem is, so you add a git ignore. If anybody has any problems fetching and pulling, talk to the tech lead. Okay. I keep doing that. All right. Level designers. What's the current status of level design? Somebody, one person, tell me. At some point, you guys were supposed to be already working on your levels.
They're making them in programming wants some of them to be pushed so they can start testing on them.
Okay, last time our tech person was supposed to go around and work with the lead and get all you guys, all your level designers to push your levels. Did that not happen? That's okay, that needs to happen today. Everyone will push their levels to the server today. Sound good? It's not like that big, it's not a big deal. Just need to get on it. So character files got pushed.
Yeah, Kira, I know what happened.
What happened?
So somebody, when they were pushing, they accidentally checked one too many things and checked one of the unversioned saved files, and so now it conflicts.
So okay, that's not supposed to be happening
so
because when when people push, they're supposed to get with you.
They did. I was watching over everybody, but.
Okay.
Was that what happened when I pushed the enemy model?
Yeah, you might have like misclicked on one of the checkboxes.
Yeah. So this is why we have. Okay. So as I said, up here in Cool Patrol folder, as you can see now, something in saved is green. We're not supposed to push intermediate and saved files. We add a file in here called a gitignore, and what this file does is it ignores intermediate and saved. I see saved there. I know, here's the intermediate. It should be working. Must be some issue, or I don't know.
It defaults ignores them, but you can override it by checking it during a commit. You can override the ignore.
I don't remember checking the save part though.
It could have been anyone. Could have been me. I could have done it.
All right. Well, you can delete those files
I'm
out
doing
of.
it right now.
You can delete those files off the server, so when people update, I believe that should fix the problem. It's not a big deal. It's not a big problem. It's just something that we had planned for, so it didn't happen, but it did happen. That's okay. All right, back to the plan. So character files got uploaded. That's cool. What character file got uploaded?
The enemy one.
The enemy,
Yeah.
and that's all set up. Like, it's all set up. He moves around and to the way we did it in the video originally.
Well, not exactly. Because the Cool Patrol file, like when I transferred that, there was no way for me to add like a third-person model for me to attach it to. So I just uploaded the model and the animation.
Okay, so what I told you to do was to do it in a separate project as a third-person project, just like we did it in the video, and then migrate it over to the Cool Patrol project, and then
Well, I couldn't. I couldn't open both files at once.
you don't have to open both files at once.
Oh yeah, you can. There's a migrate feature in one project in Unreal that you can just migrate it to another project and it's open.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did for the flashlight.
Can you help him do that correctly?
Alright,
Okay.
it's done.
I
It's
think
removed
you can
from the
manage.
server.
I just need to know how to exactly migrate.
But not right now. Not right now. No.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. Here, I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do the process over again, and then I'll call you once I need to. Get
Okay,
to
so
migrate.
but now we have, duplicate files in the project, right? You have some character in there that it's not going to help anybody, right? Because it's not connected to a blueprint.
Yeah, I
You know what I
get
mean?
it.
So we need to.
I'll go ahead and get on
Great.
that right now.
Okay. So now we got an enemy character in. We can start adding more animations, and programmers make sure that any of the functionality you need to make that guy move around and do whatever he needs to do, that we have an animation for that.
Oh, okay. Well, I fetched and pulled, and now there's even a lot more in saves that are.
Okay, let's not deal with that right now. 3D. Do we have a list of like props that we're gonna need? 3D art here.
We have it on Trello.
We have it on Trello. Who's in charge of going out and getting those level props? Okay, that's not specific. Blood effects. Okay. Puzzle spritz.
We have one under art.
All right, we just need to make sure there's some other stuff here. 3D art we need, logo emblem, jetpack, key cards, flashlight. These things need to be tracked down.
If you go to the art list, yeah,
Art list in Trello. Art?
That's
Things we
the
need?
current
Okay, cool.
list of everything I got done. I'm currently looking for the jetpack.
So we have a flashlight?
Yes.
All right, so for example, programmers, we have a flashlight that needs to go in. All right. Level designers, if you have any 3D art that you need, please communicate that to Art. Okay. And I'll say the same for 3D artists. If you guys find that you don't have anything to do, please get up, walk around, and ask the other side of the room if they need anything. And project lead, it's also your responsibility to talk to the artists and, help facilitate that. 2D art. So we got screens and stuff.
Yeah, we have a HUD.
Nice. Is that broken out into individual pieces?
It's being broken out right now.
Okay. Programmers will need that to put it in.
Yep.
So we need a main menu.
We have one.
We have one.
Yeah.
Awesome. And again, that might need to be broken out into separate pieces or, with different buttons. You know what I mean?
We did that too.
Awesome.
The only thing we don't have is like a hover animation, but right now it's set up that if you click on each one of them, it'll work.
Okay. A hover animation. Okay.
Yeah, like when you hover over it, it highlights.
Maybe you guys just need like a hover image.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean? So you hear that, Art? They need some hover images for the buttons in main menu. Pause screen, we're gonna need that. Can you die in this game?
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna.
So we need a death
Hang
screen.
on.
Okay.
I haven't added that.
We need a you're dead screen.
Just
Dark Souls thing.
Oof.
Yes, you are dead.
Let's just go, crap, what was that game? The really hard one.
Dark Souls?
Yes, or like Dead Souls, something like that. Dark Souls, you are dead.
Yeah.
We can make it fit more with theme, like biostatus critical or something like on a
Yeah.
suit that tells me.
Like life signs critical.
Like life signs, yeah. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
I added them to the list.
All right, sound. We need sound effects and music. She should be working on that.
Yeah, we have a thing from her saying you can do it on Discord. Yeah, she's working on the monster.
You know what we really need? Oh, we have we have one here. Okay, a sound list. If you guys need anything added to this sound list, again, she works remote. Little different there, but just she's on Discord. She messages every single day we have class. Should be very easy to get a hold of her. Project lead, you definitely need to be coordinating with her. I know I always say it, but I'm going to keep saying it. Make sure she's doing stuff and getting what we need. Each level will need music. Okay? Any questions? All right, any meetings we need to have right away? Anybody that needs to coordinate with anybody? Programmers need to coordinate with anybody?
I need to help level designers instead of start pushing their levels because they've been they want to push levels when they're done, but they can push them now.
Absolutely.
Keep pushing them.
Absolutely. Let's do it one at a time. Let's do it now.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Let's go.